Experiencing Rogers internet connection problems with your TV? Let's fix that. There are several reasons this could be happening, including Wi Fi interference, outdated firmware, or even issues with Rogers' network itself. First, let's address Wi Fi connectivity. Ensure your TV is within range of your router and that there are no major obstructions. Ensure your TV is within range of your router and that there are no major obstructions. Try power cycling your router and TV. Unplug them for 30 seconds, then plug them back in. Check your Wi-Fi encryption. WPA3 is recommended. If problems persist, consider using an Ethernet cable for a direct connection. Ensure you're using a Cat6 or better cable and that the ports on both your modem and TV are functional. For Ethernet connections, common issues include IP conflicts or DHCP failures. If these fixes don't work, move on to the app fixes. If Wi-Fi and Ethernet solutions don't restore your TV connection, the Rogers Ignite TV app might be the key to fixing the problem. Ensure the app is updated to the latest version. Clear its cache and ensure you're not affected by any regional restrictions. Run a speed test using apps like Ookla to confirm you have sufficient bandwidth, at least 25 megabytes per second for HD streaming. Rogers also provides AI-driven diagnostics within their My Account app, allowing for real-time issue resolution. If problems persist, contact Rogers support at 1-888-ROGERS-1 or use their My Account app for guided fixes. If you're in a rural area, Rogers is testing satellite internet options like Starlink partnerships for more seamless connectivity. Keep your eye on the trend of AI diagnostics to cut down on support call wait times, as well as energy-efficient routers.